This is Car Guys New England, your YouTube channel for anything automotive.
You bad, cause it's bit bad. She want me the bag, like chips at the front. Lift up, I fly like a pelic in my bed. I like get my way, pelic quick. They get the pop up on the elephant cut. My trunk, yeah, it's in the front. Of course, it's in the back. This a big, this a real big difference. You just want a club. I just need them racks. You just wanna party, so I just wanna rock.
This is Jay with Car Guys New England, and today I'm going to show you guys how to change out the shift lever on your GM column. And this is a replacement one. It's polished aluminum that I got from Amazon, so we're going to try this out. Now, as far as tools that we need to get this job done, you're going to need a ball peen hammer. Don't use a clod hammer, please. And also you're going to use a punch, and I'll show you guys how we do that in a moment. All right, so this column I covered in velour many years ago, but you're going to see over here this this rivet that I'm going to drive out with the thing, so with the punch. So I'm going to do that, and we'll see how this goes. One thing to note, be very, very careful when removing this lever, because there is a spring in here that if it goes flying, you are screwed. You have to take apart the whole column. All right, so we're going to take our punch and get that into place here. Just make sure that I'm in the right spot. And take our ball peen. All right, so I got the pin out, which you can see right here, and I very gently removed this shift lever by slowly working it out, and I didn't want to have the spring inside here go flying. So now I have that out, and I'm going to start putting in the other shift lever. All right, so one problem that I ran into was this was actually on backwards. So I had to drive out this roll pin, and I turned this piece 180 degrees, so I'm going to press that back in. Otherwise, this would not work at all in the Caprice. So let me get this roll pin back in, and then we'll get this installed in the car. All right, so we got the pin back in, and the lever is in, and obviously I don't have my key on me. Hold on, let me grab the key, and we'll just double check. Yep, works beautifully. Okay, so the shift lever is installed. All right, so that's how you install a shift lever. That did not go as easy as planned because that one piece was 180 degrees off. And also, I didn't get it on video, but I did have to shave down a little bit of the metal on there to match the factory one as far as the shape to get it to go all the way in. But it's in, it works, and I'm happy with that. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give the video a like. If you have questions or comments, be sure to comment down below. This is Jay with Car Guys New England. Until next time, take care.